Hi guys, and today you're probably thinking, what are these black stuff all over the map? So I can tell you that I have marked all of the rainforest. Yep, I have. And starting off with Africa, near Uganda maybe. Probably like near Uganda, like it's there. Uganda is probably about here, yeah. Is rainforest. Rainforest here, here, and here. Now moving on to Australia. This is a weird one. Goes all the way around like that. And then here's the Asian one. Goes all the way up like that. And then European one. It's only a little bit. Because they're not so close. They're not really close to the equator, are they? And South America one. And North America one. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just check out some of my other videos. And I hope you enjoy them. Just come anytime. I don't care. It's alright. Common. Hashtag peace, country, world maps. Out.